Lamp is an object that displays the status of the device. Lamp includes bit lamp, word lamp and multi-lamp. Check the address value in the communication manual of TX series. In the case of HMI, reference number and decimal address value are used. Linked device is a function that stores the device value of the connected device in the internal device. By using the linked device, acquired data can be calculated or converted. From the Project Ribbon menu, click Linked Device. Double-click on Row 1. Select Cycle for condition setting. Set 2 × 100 milliseconds for cycle in the repetition menu. Select Read for communication type in the ETC menu. Select Word for device format. Click Details in the GPLP Inner Device menu. Enter UW1000. Click OK. Click Details in the Connected Device menu. Set device name to 3. Set address to 1. Set start address to 1005. Click OK. Double-click the number 2 base screen. From the Object Ribbon menu, click Bit Lamp. Drag it to the workspace. From the Device Ribbon menu, click Detail. Set channel to internal. Out indicator is the second bit of UW1000. So it is expressed as UB10002. Set UB10002. Click OK. Click Display tab. Select Image File for Form in the Fill menu. Click Project in the Image menu. After selecting the desired image, click OK. Select None for Form in the Fill menu. Click Text tab. Check Use of the Text menu. Enter text in the Text Data menu. Set font, size and FG color from the Property menu. Set X and Y coordinate values and background size. Click OK. Multi-copy is a function to copy the selected object and place it on the screen. Copy the UB10002 object and draw UB10003 to 10005 objects. Click the first lamp and right-click. Click Multi-copy. Set the number of copies of rows to 4 and the vertical spacing to 8. Set Increase Address to 1 and click OK. Double-click on the second lamp, Check the address value of the second lamp. Change the text to AT. Double-click on the third lamp. Check the address value of the third lamp. Change the text to AL1. Double-click on the fourth lamp. Check the address value of the fourth lamp. Change the text to AL2. Click View Ribbon menu. You can preview the lamp status by pressing the Object on Off button. From the Communication ribbon menu, click Download. Click Download. The download has been completed normally. Check if HMI works properly.